All right, welcome everybody. How are y'all doing today out there? Welcome, welcome one, welcome all. Okay, let's kind of, first things first, everybody. First things first. Actually, let me bring my charts up here. I don't quite have all my charts on the screen. Remember, I told you guys I would leave up the members charts for everyone while we were in this very critical place. So this is what the members are seeing. This is what the members all get right here. So I wanted to give this to you. Peek's in the house. Peek heard a rumor that ETC dev team going belly up. Yeesh. Yes, it is about damn time. All right, so they're going to all start dumping their alts is all it is. Listen, this is all I ask. This stream is 100% free. I put this out here. Yes, we do have a members area. I do not shill it to you guys. I never shill it to you guys. I give this is 24/7. This is free. I always have these charts. This channel is running 24/7 for you guys. Listen, this is the most accurate channel in all of crypto. I am it. This is it. You have come to the right place, right? All I ever ask is that, listen, go down here, please, please, please. For payment for watching this, I'm not asking for $1. I'm not asking for 1 Tron. Okay, I'm asking for 1 Tron's worth of your time, please, to just click on the Twitter link right here, click on the Facebook link, copy the link right here, just like this. All you got to do, and you can just share this. Listen, my whole goal, please, is saving 1 trader every single day. Just 1 trader. How I barely have 30,000 subs. How I only have 5,000 subs here on, I only have 5,000 subs. I don't even have 5K. And my channel by far is way, way more accurate than any channel out there. All right? All I'm asking for you guys is please, please reach out there. Help me save 1 person. Right? Saving 1 person as we go down to find baby bull Jesus is just that much more money that will be put back into the market to help the liquidity of the market, to help us all moon to get out of this bear market, right? That's all I'm asking. Please retweet. I don't even want the likes. I don't even care about damn likes on this video. I care about you going out there and helping me save 1 person today. If you're going to do your good deed today, your good deed should be to share the Vamp channel, to give me an FF on Twitter. It's very simple. You just go up here, say FF, right? There, FF, Vamp loves puppies. Right? That's all you got to do, right? Vampire loves puppies, right? Just, it's so simple. Takes 2 seconds, right? Just say Vamp loves puppies, and he is the most amazing, amazing guy in all of crypto Twitter. I'm almost at 30,000 followers. I can't believe how I've come so far in such a short time. I really want to say thank you to everyone out there. Let's get on with the show and take a look at what we got going on. All right, so yesterday we had called this... and for those who are just joining us and might not believe what the calls that are made on this channel consistently over and over and over, all you ever have to do is go to my Twitter page, go up to the top. My header right here will show you all of my trades, right? My trades, my calls, if you guys want to see what they look like, how they're done, just like that. There's the calls, right? Calling the top perfect, blah, 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 all my trades. That's it. This is it. You get to see every single thing. They're all right here. These are all, this is all the members area. This is what the members area looks like, right? This is what the members area looks like. So you guys get to see the results of all that. And then you guys, the most important thing is you guys get to be here live sharing this, right? So you get to be here live 24 hours a day sharing this lovely crypto world with me. So we're going to move on right now. Now, most importantly, last night I put out a very short video. For me, it's very, very short. I think it was like a 10, 12-minute video. And it basically told us how we were going to end up right here. And there's the chart from yesterday. So there's your chart from yesterday. We created an AE wave. I just put that up there. I said, I want to see this test 377 before we do anything. So listen, we are in a wedge, in a wedge, in a wedge of a greater wedge. So we can go ahead and in here. Now, this is what we are looking at, right? Here is the, let's get this off here. There we go. So this is our major wedge right here. So we're in this bigger wedge, or we're in this bigger wedge right here. Let me get this out of here. Scoot this all over here. All right. So we were in this much larger wedge over here. Right? There it is. So you've got this much larger wedge from here to here. Now I'm going to have to adjust this. Right? I'm going to have to adjust this now. So let's unlock this. We're going to pull this down just a little bit right there. Okay. So there we go. So now we are in this much larger wedge. I said bulls need to hold this, right? Need to hold this. Now technically wicking through it, they're fine. They're holding it as of right now. But this just now makes more of a massive bearish wedge. Right? Now, yes, it is symmetricalized. Yes, it is symmetrical. But this is also making a huge bearish wedge that's running all the way from down here. This is just a bearish continuation wedge, right? But even with that being said, I'm still looking for this to bounce off of here, right? We're on a bleeding 9, okay? Look at this. We're in here on our 4 hour. Right, we're on our 4 hour, on a bleeding 9 right there, okay? So we're on a bleeding 9. This played out perfectly. This is a perfected 9. I actually did close out my short trade, right? I closed out my short trade. I opened up a little baby long scalp. I want to let this close because if this closes on this really pretty candle right here, right? This is a very nice reversal candle. I can see a little bit of an upside here, and then I can see some downside, right? Mo, the wedgie is real. That is correct. So I can see that a little bit of upside here, right? And, you know, something like this right up into this target would be perfect. Now, let me show you guys what I had over in the, this is, I also put this up yesterday, right? So here you go. Let's zoom up here. Give me 1 second. Oh, no momento. Boom. Right? Let's open this up. So look, take a look at that. This is what I thunk. That's kind of what I thunk. And it kind of worked out kind of perfect, right? I mean, can you get any more perfecto than that? You got to say, Vamp, how do you do it? You know, what do you eat? How do you, how in the hell do you do it? It's part Time Machine, part Illuminati. That's all I can tell you. All right? But it just works out, right? So hold on a second here. All right, so I think this is the pattern we're in right here. I think we're going to have one little bounce up, right? I don't think we're going to break 4K. Now, breaking over 4,000, getting back up here, we would look. Now, in order for us to go bullish here, right, we're going to have to break out over this wedge again, right? And this wedge is rising. This is going to be tough. This is going to be resistance again. You got a lot of resistance. You got the vamp fib. You got the 236, right? Look at the 236 right there. Look at the consolidation. Look at how the vamp fib worked. Vamp fib, vamp fib. And then, you know, this is kind of what I think is happening. We're inside of this larger flag now, like this, right? And let me plop this baby here, right? There you go. There it is. All right. Now, this is A, B, C, D, E, right? You can count this out. This counts out pretty nicely as a big A, B, C, D, E here. Let's go find our thing. All right. A, B, C, D, E. So we're back into another A, B, C, D, E here. I'm looking for this to fall out, right? This is weakness. We've done a huge retrace here, okay? And this can go there, right? It's either here, it's either right here, or it's right here. I'm not sure. It's one of these. Let me scoot this over a little bit, right? Where would that be? that be here? Anyways, it's going to be right here somewhere, okay? So this is what you're looking like. You came down, right? And this is just a continuation play to the bottom. This is what this looks like to me. Now, let me tell you right now, okay? So important. We're on it, right? We do have support, of course, a little bit below us. There's your next support line right there, okay? There's your next support line right there. You can see it, 36.43, right? It might be a little higher, give or take a little bit right in here, but this is your next support line below here. So if we come down, we would come down and we would test right here, right? Let me just draw a little bit of line. So if this comes down, this would come down and test right here. All right, let me pull this up and make it white, right? So this would be a test right here of our lower end. Now, if you break out, so the bullish plan, the bulls would like to see this not as this bearish wedge. The bulls would like to see this as a symmetrical triangle to give them at least a 49% chance to break out, right? Bullish. Right? If this were a symmetrical triangle, right? This is what the bulls, this is small bull prayer. Bulls praying, right? Bulls praying for a symmetrical triangle. Okay, so this is what the bulls are praying for, right? But in order to do that, they're going to have to now break out over, well, right now they're going to have to break out over the 236. Because we can draw this a couple different ways, and the highest way right there would be right there. So we're going to say the 236, right? So this is the bulls. They would have to break the top wedge line at and 0.236. Which is sitting at roughly, let me scoot this up here, 4.253 at 4.253, okay? So this is the bear's prayer, right? This is what the bears are praying for, very simple. The bulls on the other end are just like, hey, listen, this is an A, a B, a C, a D, an E, and then we're going to go down, and that's it, right? So that's, yeah, that's pretty much what I got. Now, I just want to make sure, remember, because you can do this wedge. So let me draw this wedge both ways on here. Just want to make, yeah, I like this the way it is. I kind of like this the way it is. All right. And there's your support. All right, so if this is an E wave, remember E waves like to come down and test a couple times. And they will test this thing as soon as they break it. Then you're going to just break to the lower side. But like E waves, failure waves, waves like to test the wedge anywhere from 1 to 3 times. Okay. So we'll put that right there. And then this is your final support right here. Right at 3.6, what did we call that? We called it 3.645. At 3.645. All right, so once you do, if you do violate this 3.645, right, you're just going to go down here and you're going to have to retest this bottom area one more time, okay? That's all you're going to have to do. Remember, we did have this perfect double top up here. We called this out a long time ago. Okay, we called this double top out a long time ago. When we called this double top out, that's when I went short. And we're just basically watching for this baby, you know, to play out. Like, it look 1, 2. This sure looks like a 3. This looks like a 3 inside. This looks like a wave 4 inside of a wave 3 to me. Right? And you're looking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe, right? Something like that. Maybe something a little deeper. can be something like this, right? And that would be the bear there. So there you go. There's your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 count, right? And it looks like you're inside here. So I might shorten this up a little bit. Right? Might shorten this up a little bit here. Because this looks like a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 back down to the bottom, right? So this looks like you're in this wave 4. Your wave 4 is going to pull you up into this range right here. That's this E. This is failure wave E. And then you're just going to fall out there to the bottom. Okay? Bam. Right? And I think that's all I got, right? I don't think I got anything else. All right? That's it. Okay? That's it. That's all I'm looking for. I'm still looking for an E wave to come up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 wave down. So this would be your internal. I think this is your internal still. 1, 2, 1, 2. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this doesn't have to come up this far. All right, so we just kicked off a new candle. Listen, this is a beautiful candle right here, okay? This is a great reversal candle. I am playing this for a very short scalp. I'm playing this for a short long scalp. I just made almost a half a BTC on my short, right? I did close out my short, and I'm going to wait for this line to break, right? So my plan is to wait for this wedge line to break right here before I open up my short again. Breaking this wedge line gets shit real ugly. And then pretty much my accumulation at the bottom is going to get stomped out. So easy. This trading thing, fingers crossed right here for my little long scalp, okay? Fingers crossed for my little long scalp. Those who want to look at SV, I'm telling you, my targets on SV is $50. My target on SV is possibly $50. Something I do like on SV, if there's one thing I do like on SV, is this. You have a kind of a inverted head and shoulders working right here. So you kind of got an inverted head and shoulders. Right? So you kind of got an inverted head and shoulders working right here. This is the only saving grace for SV right there. That's it. There's nothing else. SV is in a whole world of hurt besides that. All right? So, listen. We are in a bearish downtrend. The volume sucks. Everything is not good. Right? We're not able. Look at the volume. Bearish volume trend. It's a 12-hour 2 below 1. The daily, a 2 below 1. Falling out. All bad. No good here. Nothing is good here. We started a brand new daily count. Right? There's your 1 to 4 candle correction on the TD system. And just fell out again. Like, right, came up here. You made this flag. You made basically a symmetrical triangle for a second. And then it fell out of that symmetrical triangle. That was actually possibly a bull flag. Fell out. I never believed it. I have the proof. I shorted the living bejesus out of it. And for me and all of us over here at Until 1 Mil, including Peak and Rocket and the most amazing group in crypto, along with this beautiful 24/7 live stream that you guys all get for free. I am the Vamp, and I am out.